I gave ChatGPT full control of my YouTube channel for a week. You won't believe what happened next. In this video, I'll share the real story of how I used AI to transform my small business's YouTube, blending raw storytelling with actionable tips. By the end, you'll know exactly how a one-week experiment blew up my engagement and how you can use the same strategies to grow your channel and sell your products. Let me set the stage. A few months ago, I was grinding on my business and trying to use YouTube to attract customers. I'd been posting tutorials and updates, but my channel was stuck. A few hundred views per video, almost no subscribers, and zero sales from YouTube traffic. I spent hours writing scripts and editing. It felt like shouting into a void. Then I noticed something interesting. Everyone online was talking about AI. Social media was buzzing, fancy new tools could generate scripts, AI voices, avatars, even animated B-roll. In fact, one recent trend report says the biggest trend for 2026 isn't a specific topic, it's how you make it. AI has moved beyond just writing scripts. Basically, creators are using AI for everything, brainstorming ideas, cleaning up audio, even creating images. I figured, what if I tried it? I was skeptical but desperate, so I wrote up a challenge for myself. I'd let AI handle my YouTube content for a week. That means I'd use tools like ChatGPT to write video scripts, maybe even try an AI voiceover. I'd still appear on camera to add authenticity because storytelling is powerful, but behind the scenes, AI would do a lot of work. Here's how it went down. I started by asking ChatGPT, "You are my YouTube assistant. Generate a script for a video on topic related to my business." The responses were surprisingly solid. It gave me an outline, some key points, even a catchy hook. I took that script, added my own spin and personal story bits, and recorded the voiceover. Next, I used some free AI tools to generate B-roll and stock clips, things related to the story. No fancy camera gear, just smart tools. Then I posted the first video. The topic was an honest behind-the-scenes story, a mini origin story of how I got into this business. Think of it as a short documentary about me. I made sure the title and thumbnail teased a big promise. Viewers could see me tackling a tough problem with a weird twist involving AI. Within 24 hours, something crazy happened. The video started getting clicks. Comments rolled in. People said they were curious about this AI angle and appreciated the personal story. I knew I was onto something when I started waking up to notification pings at odd hours. In 3 days, that first video hit 20,000 views, more than 5 times any video I'd done before. Subscribers trickled in too. At that point, I realized this is working. Fortune magazine even noticed a trend like this. One 22-year-old quit college and built a near-autonomous YouTube empire using AI-generated content, pulling in roughly $40,000 to $60,000 per month. If big creators are leaning on AI, maybe it's time you start too. Here's the first big lesson I learned. It's all about authentic storytelling, even if you use AI. I made sure to be honest on camera. I don't have all the answers. I'm learning too. This vulnerability draws people in. As one analysis put it, sharing a raw journey like a first-time project is nothing short of viral gold. In my case, viewers connected with me because it felt real. It wasn't a polished sales pitch, it was a human story. But raw story alone isn't enough. I needed strategy. One key move, the short to long funnel. For every new long video, I cut out a 60-second teaser and uploaded it as a YouTube short. This teaser had a cliffhanger ending, something like, "I can't believe what happened next," and text overlay telling viewers to check out the full video. Shorts are known to explode reach. A case study I read confirmed in 2025, YouTube Shorts remain the fastest way to explode organic reach. For me, those shorts were like an endless funnel, bringing curious viewers to the main story. We're at the 2-minute mark, so here's a quick tease of what happened next. I'll reveal the crazy results in a moment. But first, let me break down exactly why this AI and storytelling combo works, so you can apply it. These are the 3 core strategies. Leverage AI for efficiency. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm video topics, outline scripts, and generate ideas fast. AI doesn't replace you, it gives you speed. It can help come up with attention-grabbing titles and suggest metaphors or analogies to make your point clearer. In a few hours, I had twice as much content as usual without writing a single word myself. Tell a personal story. Always frame your advice or tips within a story about your journey or someone else's experience. People remember stories, not bullet points. Mention a real problem you faced, a bold goal, and your emotions. In my videos, I talked about how hard it was to create content and why I decided to let AI in. That emotional context made the advice stick. Use the short to long strategy. Create a 15 to 60-second highlight reel for each video that ends on a cliffhanger, then link it to the full video. This drives viewers from shorts into your long-form content, boosting watch time and algorithm signals. As I mentioned, shorts are a massive growth engine. Each short acted like a prime real estate where I could hook casual scrollers and bring them in to the full story. Now, let's finish the story. By the end of that week, the results were insane. My channel went from 300 subscribers to over 3,000. That's tenfold growth. One of my videos reached 500,000 views in its first month. People left comments saying they felt like they knew me. My inbox started filling up with genuine inquiries about my products. It was surreal. That one experiment turned my YouTube channel from a quiet side project into a buzzing community. In summary, the combination of AI and storytelling gave me a huge edge. It turned a stagnant channel into a thriving one by focusing on real human connection. Remember, authenticity beats polish. You can do this too. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, but always speak from the heart. And this is just the beginning. Next time, I'll walk you through how to turn those new subscribers into paying customers. You won't want to miss it.